I've created an orbital simulation here, but I've altered Venus's orbit so that it nearly intersects the Earth's orbit. Venus's orbit now is a highly elliptical orbit, and Venus at apogee is quite near Earth. We zoom in a little bit. See, Venus is ahead of the Earth-Moon system. And of course, Venus is going to be moving at a slower orbital speed because its semi-major axis is smaller than Earth's in the orbit around the Sun. So if we start the simulation, Venus is altering the Moon's orbit. Eventually so much that orbit of the Moon snaps away from orbit of the Earth. And now the Moon's free of both Earth, and it doesn't get picked up by Venus. If we zoom out a little bit, we can see that the Moon's orbit, now the semi-major axis of the Moon's orbit, is bigger than that of the Earth's. So the orbital period will be slower. If we pick up the speed of the simulation, should see that Earth's rotating now around the Sun faster than the Moon. So the distance between the Earth and the Moon is gradually increasing. Pick up the speed of the orbital simulation a little more. You can see it's going even further and further away. After about a year, it might be as much as an eighth of an orbital revolution around apart. Pick up the simulation a little faster. Getting further and further away from each other. And at about 8.5 years, they're nearly collinear. Nine and a half looks like they're about collinear. And then Earth is gradually catching up to the Moon. So when they are collinear, you have some chance of an eclipse. That's an Earth-Sun